Hey, managed to find another bigger flathead. Let's see if that works. There you go, I think I found one. Just pretty much lift up, put it in there, and kind of go like this. Like if you're screwing, but counterclockwise. So you're lifting up that lip. And you just keep doing this. Let's see if I do it fast enough. Careful you don't get cut. So I'm just putting it in there and twisting counterclockwise. Now you can do it all of it. Or leave a little bit, but you can't. If you leave a little bit, you gotta take out where you took out, and then just slide where you left off. So this is where I and when you're trying to take it out, do the same thing, but this time put more leverage on it and lift up. See how this one's lifting up? See if you can lift it from with your hand. See, it's lifting up. And just keep doing it all the way around. There's a notch there around the well, actually, I don't know where it would be. It spins. Let's make a mark. Where that notch used to be, just in case it's there for some reason. Never opened one of these, so. Just lift up. See, and this is where I didn't do it, so I gotta slide out this way. I don't think I have to do it. Oh, there you go. See, I was pushing that way. So there's a ring right here, and this one you could put it back and clamp it again, but be careful. Use a rag or something, because after you paint it, you don't want to mess it up, or unless you want to touch it up by itself. And here's the plastic, and here's another ring that came with it. So it's the ring, the plastic, and then the locking ring, the final one. There you go. This is how you take apart. And you just lift up. Now if you want to just get the, let's do that. Excuse me. This is just to get the gauge. So these are longer black screws, as you see. Then for the other gauges, these are the small ones. But they're also black, so remember to paint these. There you go. And be careful with this, don't mess it up. And here's the gauge. So I went. Maybe you can switch it. No, you can't. Oops. See? Don't lose this. Try to tape it. I would tape it. Tape it here. See if I find some tape and tape it. There you go, look. So this is the tools I needed. This. The tools I needed for this project. Oh, there's some tape. I didn't see that. Are these this flathead, a smaller flathead, and of course needle nose pliers, and my favorite tool, the multi tool fork. And here's all the parts that came out. So it's 1, 2 big parts, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then of course the needles. Don't forget those. On the actual housing for it. Remember, you can paint this white again. It's like white reflects more. That's why they put white. And the rubber. So let's see. Put tape on it. Put tape on this so it doesn't come off and I don't lose it. There you go. There you go. Should be good. There you go. I'll show you how to paint the needles and do everything else. Comment, subscribe, and help out by subscribing. Like I said, if this helps, rate it, comment. Thanks.